Do you feel stuck in a boring routine, or find your goals always just out of reach? In this video, we'll talk about 5 things you should get rid of in your home because they bring in poverty and stagnation. These 5 things might be why you're not achieving your goals. I'll explain each item in detail and why it's important to remove them. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and comment. I affirm only positive and get success. Let your words attract everything you wish for. If you're skeptical about the law of attraction, this video might not be for you. But if you believe, watch until the end to understand and achieve the results you want. Remember, everything in the world is energy. Every object in your home has an energy that can move you forward or hold you back. Have you heard the saying, your home reflects your state of mind? When I realized this, I looked closely at my things and found many were tied to my past. Getting rid of them brought amazing changes into my life. Take a moment to understand this powerful information. By using it, you too will see amazing results. Now let's explore these 5 items linked to the principle of vibration. The first major energy blocker in your home is broken items. These could be anything from a cooking utensil to a vase, a painting, a mirror, or any other object. It's important to remember that your home is your sanctuary, so it deserves your care and attention. If something is broken, resist the urge to fix it with glue or tape. Once it's broken, it's already lost its integrity, and keeping it around can drain your energy and block positive vibes. Just like with old clothes, it's essential to thank these items for their service and then let them go. Holding on to broken things creates a stagnant energy that can weigh you down. Picture a cracked mirror hanging on your wall, each fissure representing an unresolved issue or a lingering negative thought. These items don't just occupy physical space, they also take up mental space. For instance, a chipped mug might seem harmless, but every time you use it, you're reminded of its imperfection and, by extension, any imperfections in your own life. This subtle reminder can subconsciously impact your mood and outlook. Think about a broken appliance that you keep meaning to repair but never do. Every glance at it is a reminder of an unfinished task, creating a sense of guilt or frustration. Instead, imagine how freeing it would feel to release these items. By letting go of broken things, you make room for new whole items that can bring fresh, positive energy into your space. So, take a moment to walk through your home, identify anything that's broken, and consider its impact on your energy. Thank these items for the role they've played in your life, and then release them. You'll be amazed at how much lighter and more energized you'll feel once you clear out these hidden energy thieves. The second item you should remove from your home is belongings and clothes from people who are no longer with you, whether they have passed away or are no longer part of your life. While memories of them can remain cherished in your mind, their physical items carry an energy that can hold you back. Clinging to these objects can create emotional stagnation in your living space, preventing you from moving forward. Imagine each item as a tie to the past, keeping you anchored to moments that have already passed. To truly honor those memories and allow both yourself and the departed to continue on your respective journeys, it's essential to let these items go. Only keep things that are part of your present life. The past, as they say, is gone and no longer exists in your current reality. As Jesus advised in the Gospel of Matthew 8:22, let the dead bury their own dead. This means it's important to let go of what belongs to the past. If you've been enjoying the content so far, please click the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and support us to provide more valuable information. Let's continue now. The third thing to eliminate from your home is clutter. For positive energy to flow freely through your living space, it must be light and organized. Clutter can trap energy, causing it to become stagnant and creating an environment that feels heavy and uninviting. To enhance the energy in your home, keep it organized and tidy. Open windows to let in fresh air and sunlight, which naturally revitalizes the space. Avoid leaving items lying around, as this can obstruct the flow of energy. Incorporate beautiful plants to add a refreshing and natural scent to your home, making it feel more vibrant and alive. Treat your home as a temple, a sanctuary where you find joy and peace. Start each day by making your bed and expressing gratitude for the rest it provides. Strive to make your home harmonious, focusing not on luxury but on maintaining an environment where energy can move freely. By creating a clean and harmonious living space, you foster an atmosphere that supports positive energy and well-being. As you begin to apply these principles, you'll notice a significant improvement in the flow of energy in your home, making it a place of comfort and joy. The fourth thing is dirty shoes or torn ones. Imagine your shoes as more than mere footwear. They're conduits of energy. Every step you take, they absorb energies from the places you walk, whether positive or negative. When you arrive home, cleaning them becomes crucial. This ritual isn't just about hygiene. It's about safeguarding your inner sanctuary from any external energies that might disrupt your peace. Now, consider what happens when your shoes are worn out or dirty. In metaphysical terms, this could symbolize a path in your life that's similarly worn or disrupted. If your shoes are in disrepair, it begs the question, do you want a broken path ahead? Probably not. Therefore, maintaining clean and well-kept shoes isn't just about appearances. It's a practice that aligns with maintaining a clear and harmonious path in life. These shoes bear the weight of your journey, literally and energetically. They carry you through each day, absorbing and grounding the energies you encounter. By keeping them clean and in good condition, you're not just caring for your footwear. You're nurturing the very foundation of your daily travels and the energies you allow into your life. It's a small yet profound act of mindfulness and respect for the paths we tread. The fifth thing to consider is eliminating clothes you no longer wear. Every piece of clothing carries a unique energy that reflects the circumstances under which you acquired it. Have you ever bought an outfit you adored and wore often, only to suddenly stop wearing it? The reason is simple: you've changed. As we evolve, our tastes and preferences evolve too. What may no longer resonate today. The clothes we no longer wear hold on to the energy of our past selves, which may no longer align with who we are now. Keeping these items that no longer match our current energy can create stagnation and hinder our progress. Therefore, it's beneficial to let go of clothes that no longer serve us, and keep only those that bring joy, comfort, and a smile when we wear them. Before parting ways with these clothes, it's important to perform a meaningful exercise. Hold each piece in your hands and express gratitude. Thank the clothing for the moments shared and the times enjoyed together. This gratitude is important because each garment carries energy that deserves closure. By bidding farewell with gratitude, you honor the positive memories and experiences associated with those clothes. This process not only clears physical space but also helps in emotional and energetic cleansing, allowing you to move forward with clarity and positivity in your life. The sixth thing is negative artwork or decors. Have you ever walked into a room and immediately felt your mood change just by looking at a piece of art or decor? The visuals we surround ourselves with have a powerful impact on our mood and energy. Art and decor are not just about aesthetics. They are expressions that can evoke deep emotions and thoughts. Negative imagery, whether it's a dark painting or a piece of decor that brings back unpleasant memories, can cast a shadow over your living space and affect the overall vibe. Imagine a painting of a stormy sea or a sculpture that reminds you of a sad time in your life. Every time you see these pieces, they can subtly influence your emotions, often without you even realizing it. This constant exposure to negative visuals can contribute to feelings of stress, sadness, or anxiety. On the other hand, replacing any negative imagery with positive and uplifting art can transform the energy of a room. Imagining out that stormy sea painting for one of a serene beach at sunset, or replacing a melancholic sculpture with a joyful, vibrant one. Choose pieces that inspire, bring joy, or evoke a sense of peace. Look for artwork that resonates with your dreams, aspirations, and happy memories. These positive visuals can act as daily affirmations, subtly boosting your mood every time you see them. It's amazing how a simple change in your surroundings can uplift your spirit and bring a new flow of positive energy into your home. Picture walking into a room and being greeted by a painting of a blooming garden or a piece of decor that makes you smile. This positive energy can create a ripple effect, enhancing not only your mood but also your overall well-being. So take a moment to look around your home. Identify any negative artwork or decor that might be dragging down the energy of your space. Replace them with pieces that make you feel happy, inspired, and at peace. This simple yet powerful change can help transform your home into a sanctuary of positivity and joy, reflecting and enhancing your state of mind. The last and final thing is cleanliness. The key to a clear mind. Now, let's talk about the last but crucial point: cleanliness. How many of you maintain cleanliness in your home every day? Keeping your space clean and organized has a profound impact on your mental state. When you take the time to clean and organize your home, you create a physical environment that is neat and orderly. This external orderliness can help you achieve a similar state in your mind. Here's how. Reduced stress. A clean and tidy home reduces visual clutter, which can help lower stress levels. When your environment is chaotic, it can make you feel overwhelmed and stressed. But when everything is in its place, it creates a sense of calm and control. Increased focus. An organized space makes it easier to find things and reduces distractions. This can help you stay focused and be more productive. Imagine a cluttered desk versus a clean one. The latter makes it much easier to concentrate. Enhanced mood. Cleanliness can boost your mood. Coming home to a clean house feels good and can make you happier and more relaxed. On the other hand, a messy space can contribute to feelings of guilt or frustration. Better health. Maintaining cleanliness can also improve your physical health by reducing allergens, bacteria, and other harmful particles. A clean home means fewer illnesses and more energy to enjoy life. Sense of accomplishment. Regularly cleaning and organizing your home gives you a sense of accomplishment. This positive feeling can translate into other areas of your life, encouraging you to tackle more tasks and set higher goals. By making cleanliness a daily habit, you not only create a pleasant living environment but also cultivate a clear and organized mind. Start small by dedicating a few minutes each day to tidying up, and soon you'll notice the positive effects on your mental well-being. Cleanliness is just a chore. It's a pathway to a more focused, calm, and happy life. If you agree with this, comment, "Clean environment, clean mind." By following these 7 principles, you'll attract positive energy and accelerate your journey to success. Always remember, your mental health plays a crucial role in achieving your goals.